Today we are going to see about adductor canal. Okay, adductor canal is also called subsartorial canal or Hunter's canal. Okay, why we call it a subsartorial canal? Because this adductor canal lies below the sartorius muscle, and then adductor canal also called Hunter's canal. Because it is discovered by John Hunter, for that we called it as Hunter's canal. And then in this video we are going to see about extent, shape, borders and then contents of this adductor canal. Okay, first we are going to see about the extent. In my previous video we learned about femoral triangle. You consider this as the base of femoral triangle, and then base of femoral triangle is inguinal ligament which attaches between the anterior superior iliac spine and the pubic tubercle of pubic bone. Okay, and then lateral border sartorius muscle. Medial border of sartorius muscle act as lateral border of femoral triangle. And then medial border of adductor longus muscle act as medial border of femoral triangle. Okay, this is the base and this is the apex. Okay, and this apex continues as the adductor canal. Okay, continues the adductor canal, and this adductor canal ends in the adductor hiatus, which is the tendinous opening through which femoral artery and femoral vein enters the popliteal fossa. Okay, these are the extent of adductor canal. Okay, apex of femoral triangle above and below tendinous opening, that is adductor hiatus, which is present in the adductor magnus muscle. We already know that adductor magnus muscle has two parts. One is the adductor part and the other is hamstring part. Okay, hamstring part originated from the ischial tuberosity and the adductor part originated from the ischiopubic ramus. Okay, next is the shape of adductor canal. Okay, this is the femur bone middle 1/3, that is triangular in shape, and this is the anterior surface. This is medial side, so medial border, lateral side, so lateral border, and this is the posterior side, so this is posterolateral surface, and this is posteromedial surface. Okay, and this is the posterior border, that is linea aspera. Okay, we already know that linea aspera has two lips, one is the medial lip and lateral lip. Vastus medialis originated from the medial lip. Okay, and this is adductor longus and adductor magnus. Okay, adductor longus above and the adductor magnus below. Okay, this adductor longus originated from the external surface of body of pubis, and adductor magnus originated from the ischiopubic ramus and the ischial tuberosity. Okay, and this is the sartorius muscle. This is the sartorius muscle originated from the anterior superior iliac spine and inserted to the medial surface of tibia. Okay, these are the borders. Okay, and this is the fibrous sheet. Okay, fibrous sheet which connects the anterolateral border and the medial border, posteromedial border. Okay, this thing you want to know. And shape, which is the triangular shape. This is the cross section. Okay, cross section. So in cross section we can see adductor canal as triangular in shape. Okay. This is the anterolateral border. This is the anterior view in the lateral side. So anterolateral border. Anterolateral border. And this is the posterior-medial border. Posterior-medial border. And this is acting as roof and also medial border. Acting as roof and also medial border. Okay. Cross section. In cross sectional view, it is triangular in shape. Okay. And next thing you want to know that borders. Borders anterolateral border, vastus medialis. Vastus medialis and posterior-medial border. Posterior-medial border, adductor longus above and adductor magnus below. Okay, posterior-medial border. And roof sartorius muscles and also medial border. Okay, roof sartorius muscle. The sartorius muscle also acts as medial border, and then this fibrous sheet also acts as roof. This fibrous sheet connect the anterolateral border and the posterior-medial border. Okay. For understanding adductor canal, I made this model. Okay. This is the femur bone, and this is vastus medialis, adductor longus, adductor magnus. Okay, this is femur bone, and here we have linea aspera. From this medial lip, vastus medialis take its origin, and this adductor longus and adductor magnus inserted to the linea aspera. Okay, and this is the saphenous nerve, femoral artery and femoral vein. Okay, and this line represents this. This is the adductor part and this is hamstring part. Okay, and this is the adductor hiatus. This is adductor hiatus. It is the tendinous opening through which this femoral artery and femoral vein enters the popliteal surface behind, popliteal fossa behind. Okay, I already told adductor longus acts as posterior-medial border in the above, that is in the beginning of adductor canal, and in the below this area adductor magnus acts as posterior-medial border. Okay, this is the important thing you want to remember. And this is vastus medialis is anterolateral border. Anterolateral border, and then this adductor longus and the adductor magnus is posterior-medial border. Okay, and then this paper, you consider this as fibrous sheet. Okay, fibrous sheet like this. This cross-section view gives you triangle shape for adductor canal. Okay, and this hand you consider as sartorius muscle. When you reflect off this sartorius muscle, you can see fibrous sheet which connecting the anterolateral border and the posterior-medial border. Okay, when you reflect off this fibrous sheet, you can see the contents very clearly. Okay, first you can see saphenous nerve. You which is the branch of femoral nerve. Which is the branch of femoral nerve which enters the adductor canal and it does not enter into the adductor hiatus. Okay, you want to remember this. This saphenous nerve does not enter into the adductor hiatus. It somewhat here this saphenous nerve enter the medial side of knee and medial side of leg and supplies these regions. Okay, and this femoral artery and femoral line, we already know that this enter the adductor hiatus. Before entering into the adductor hiatus, this femoral artery gives off branches. One branch is the muscular branches. Okay, and next branch is the descending genicular artery. This descending genicular artery in turn divides into saphenous branch and the articular branch. Okay, the saphenous branch runs along with the saphenous nerve in the medial side of thigh and the medial side of leg. Okay, and next thing you want to know that in the above, that is in the beginning of the adductor canal, this femoral vein is posterior to femoral artery. Okay, posterior to femoral artery, but in the femoral triangle it is medial to femoral artery. Femoral vein is medial to femoral artery in the femoral canal, but in the beginning of the adductor canal it is posterior to femoral artery. Femoral vein is posterior to femoral artery. Okay, and in the below, in the end of the adductor canal, it is lateral to femoral artery. Femoral vein is lateral to femoral artery. Okay, this thing you want to know. And this saphenous nerve runs along in this direction. Okay, crosses the femoral vessels. Okay, crosses the femoral vessels, and here, somewhat here, it leaves the adductor canal and enters the medial side of knee and medial side of leg. Okay, and another thing is the vastus, nerve to vastus medialis. Here we have nerve to vastus medialis. In this model you cannot see because I did not mention in this. Okay, nerve to vastus medialis here. And another content is the obturator nerve. Okay, anterior and posterior division of obturator nerve. Two divisions of obturator nerve. Okay, and next thing is, this is the fibrous sheet which connects the anterolateral and posterior-medial border like this. Okay, and here we have sartorius muscle. In between the sartorius muscle and the fibrous sheet, we have subsartorial plexus. Okay, subsartorial plexus, that is they are nerves. Okay, they are medial cutaneous nerve of thigh, and then anterior division of obturator nerve, and then saphenous nerve. Okay, a branch of saphenous nerve. Okay, with this model I draw this diagram, contents diagram. Yeah, first femoral vein. Femoral vein is posterior to femoral artery. Okay, so I draw femoral vein here. Okay, and next thing is the femoral artery anterior to femoral vein. So I draw it here. Okay, and next is the saphenous nerve. Okay, I don't have yellow color, so I draw in this green color. Okay, saphenous nerve. So I draw this here. Okay, this is the saphenous nerve, and this color is femoral artery, and this is femoral vein. Okay, femoral vein, and next is the nerve to vastus medialis. Okay, nerve to vastus medialis here, and supplies this vastus medialis muscle. And next is the two divisions of obturator nerve. Okay, two divisions of obturator nerve and the subsartorial plexus. Between the sartorius muscle and the fibrous sheath, we can see subsartorial plexus here. Okay. Okay. First, contents. First, femoral vein, and then femoral artery. Third one, nerve to, sorry, I made wrong here. Okay, nerve to vastus medialis, and fourth one, saphenous nerve. Okay, fifth one, two divisions of obturator nerve. One is the anterior division and posterior division. This posterior division supplies the knee joint also. Okay, two divisions of obturator nerve. Two divisions of obturator nerve. Okay, and then subsartorial plexus. You remember subsartorial plexus, okay? Subsartorial plexus. Subsartorial plexus, medial cutaneous nerve of thigh. Medial cutaneous nerve of thigh, and then second, medial cutaneous nerve of thigh, and then anterior division of obturator nerve, and then third, saphenous nerve, branch of saphenous nerve. Okay, and then nerve to vastus medialis, this saphenous nerve, and then medial cutaneous nerve of thigh. This all branch of femoral nerve. Okay, this all branch of femoral nerve. Okay, that's all about the adductor canal. First thing is extend. We already know extend. From the apex of femoral triangle and below adductor hiatus, that is the tendinous opening, and shape triangular in shape, and borders anterolateral border vastus medialis and posterior-medial border adductor longus and adductor magnus. Okay, and roof sartorius fibrous sheath. Between the sartorius and the fibrous sheath, we have subsartorial plexus, medial cutaneous nerve of thigh, anterior division of obturator nerve and saphenous nerve. You remember this. And contents, femoral artery, which is anterior to femoral vein in the beginning of the adductor canal. Okay, and in the end of the adductor canal, below, that is below, this femoral vein is lateral to femoral artery. Okay, and nerve to vastus medialis, contents nerve to vastus medialis, saphenous nerve, and two divisions of obturator nerve. This. Okay, these are the contents. If you have any doubt, you ask in the comment section. And these are the simple diagrams. you use this diagrams in your exams. Okay, in this order, you write 5 mark or whatever they ask, you write in this order. Okay, this is very important topic. Femoral triangle and adductor canal are very important topic in lower limb. Okay, and popliteal fossa. Okay, in my next video we are going to see about popliteal fossa. Okay, thank you everyone. Subscribe our channel and motivate us. Like and share our videos. Okay, thank you everyone.